Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create this side puff that I have been wearing for a while now, and it is so simple to create. It takes you no time to get done. So I'm about to show you how I create that look. So if you want to see how I create that look, stay tuned. Here are the things that you're going to need to create that look. Okay, we're going to need, of course, some gel, a brush, of course. You're going to need a white tooth comb just in case, and you are going to need one of these headbands, any color you wish. I'm using just a random pink. And as you can see, I have my hair in some medium-sized twist. I normally do my hair like this when I'm going to bed at night, just some random big twists, medium-sized big. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double this and put it over my head and rest it right to my neck before I loose these twists, because it's easier. You don't want to put it over after you loose the twist. So here we go, nice and easy. I'm gonna carry this and rest this right here. It looks like a cool necklace, right? Crazy. So we're going to go ahead and pull these twists down. So let's go. We can start from the back, and I'm just going to loose these twists out. I'm just loosening them one time, and then I can go through and make them smaller if I want after I create the side puff. So I'm just loosening these twists. Am I the only one who hum when you're combing your hair? I'm like an old lady. So normally I like my puff to fall to the right, which is your left. So my puff is going to fall this way. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush the edges upwards, just my edge. All right, so I'm going to take my brush and brush my edge just a little bit. Just on this side though, I'm not going to trouble this side any at all. I'm just going to brush my edge, and then I'm going to take some gel and put it just on this side. Y'all see this bump? They always tell me when I'm younger that when you have this bump on your face, is somebody love you. I guess my husband have extra love for me. Am I crazy or not? All right, so I'm just going to place some gel right here, and then I'm gonna brush that up. Nice and easy. You see that? And of course you all know that I like to see waves, so put some more gel, and then I'm not going to use the brush anymore. You see all those wave patterns? It's so cute. All right, so this is where my headband comes in. I am going to use my headband and I'm going to rest it. I'm going to rest the headband right at my ears, right at the edge on this side, and then I won't trouble this side at all. I am just going to pull it on this side and stop it just around here. The reason why you can use any color headband, it doesn't really matter the length of your hair, is because it is not going to show when you finish. You're not going to see the headband, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, so let's go. I'm just going to pull this up, rest it right here. This side is just my ears because it won't show. Then I'm just going to slowly push this side all the way. If you realize, this side automatically move, but it's going to stop right after it come over your ears. So I like my puff to fall as much to the side as possible, so I'm just gonna pull that and I'm gonna stop it right here. All right, so what is going to happen is that all this here, you just fix that to make it fall right where you want it to fall. You're gonna just fix that. Now I like my puff to be very fluffy, so I'm just going to open up these curls some more. Just form your hair to make it fall where you want it to fall. I'm just going to look in the mirror a bit to make sure I'm getting this right. Make sure that's falling nicely. I like to see the curl pattern, but I don't really want them too defined. So I'm just opening up these curls some more, just to let them fall right where I want them to fall. See, I don't even have to use my wide tooth comb, but you can if you want. And you just put your hair right where you want it. And there you have it. It's all done. In less than 5 minutes, your side puff is done. So there you have it, guys. This is as easy as it gets. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.